Welcome to our channel 9 Mantras and thanks for being a part of mission to educate a million moms and moms to be. We are getting real today and we are going to discuss on one of the lesser known topic during pregnancy, that is excessive vaginal discharge. Okay ladies, it's time for a candid chat about yet another amazing thing our bodies do while being pregnant, that is to produce more vaginal mucus. Let's normalize the conversation around one of the most common but least talked about parts of pregnancy, that is leukorrhea. It's also called as thickened vaginal discharge. What is it? That milky white or clear thin discharge is called as leukorrhea. Don't be alarmed with the fancy name. It's just a term for the excessive vaginal secretion that occur during pregnancy. Why does it happen? And what exactly causes this increase in the discharge? Well, your pregnancy hormones, especially estrogen, are to thank. Estrogen causes your vaginal walls to become more elastic in preparation of childbirth, and this stretching stimulates and releases the thin milky fluid to help maintain healthy vaginal bacteria levels. Additionally, higher blood flow to the vaginal area during pregnancy ramps up the mucus production. All that extra discharge helps to flush out bacteria and prevent infections by allowing air to circulate. Pretty smart design by Mother Nature, right? So, what to expect in your first trimester? You may notice just a slight increase in daily discharge. As you progress through the pregnancy, especially into the third trimester, the amount can really pick up. Some women may need to wear panty liners to keep them fresh. The consistency can vary day to day from slightly thicker to stickier to very thin and watery. As long as it remains white, clear in color with no foul odor, it's considered normal and healthy. Let's go over some do's and don'ts for managing leukorrhea. Do wear breathable cotton underwears and use panty liners for that extra freshness if in case you need them. Cotton allows airflow and prevents irritation. Do gently cleanse the outer vaginal area when taking shower. You can use mild fragrance-free soap and lukewarm water. Don't douche or use scented vaginal products like sprays, washes. These can disrupt vagina's naturally occurring healthy bacteria. Don't ignore any major changes like yellow, green, or foul smelling discharge. Contact your doctor if you notice, as this could be some infection. Don't be embarrassed. Vaginal discharges are perfectly natural and it shows your body is working hard supporting your growing baby. A few common myths around white discharge are thinking it could be something wrong. Not true. If it is just clear and milky, that's okay. Needing to clean it out, you don't have to doubt it. Or believing it will continue heavily until delivery. In fact, it tends to peak in the final trimester. The most important things are knowing what's normal for your body. Keeping the area dry with breathable clothes can be helping you. And very importantly, you must and should speak to your doctor if you find this discharge concerning. I hope this discussion provides some reassurance about one of the many physical realities of pregnancy. Let me know if you have got any questions in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advices. Remember, your support helps us create more such content. Stay healthy, take care.